So it is the next day. Bonjour. We are still here in Paris. And today, Huawei has planned for us a bike tour of Paris. We're gonna learn about the history of Paris, which I'm super excited about because, again, I'm a nerd. Now, I can't take this camera with me because it's just gonna be too hard to do that on a bike. But I'm gonna try to use the P20 Pro to get some footage that I can maybe incorporate into here. So any of the stuff that you see us on bikes will now be shot on the P20 Pro.
Get going. Let's do some quick bike safety tips. The most beautiful city in the world. The most beautiful square inside the most beautiful city in the world. You haven't understood by now, we like to think highly of our city. So should you. It's an expensive square. Matter of fact, originally it was called La Place Royale, the Royal Square. Over here is drawing our attention. This, of course, is Notre Dame, or Notre Dame de Paris by its full name. Does anyone know what that means in English? Notre Dame de Paris? Notre Dame of Paris, exactly. Our Lady of Paris. It was the largest royal palace in the world. Today it's the largest museum in the world. Right, it's the largest museum in terms of the size of it. Absolutely enormous, as you see. There's even more galleries underneath. It's also the largest in terms of number of visitors, the most visited museum in the world. But lastly, and most importantly, it's the largest museum in terms of the collection.
Okay. Bike tour is over. It was lovely. Now we're all pretty tired, but it's fine. Few of us actually went to a coffee shop and just got a little bit of work done, which I'm happy to do because it's hard to get some work done when like every minute is planned for you, but they gave us a little break here to get work done, which was good. And now we're actually gonna head to a French cooking class.
Gotta be cold. Hogan's gonna cut his hand first, right? Yeah.
Word.
I'm gonna make something really mediocre. It's gonna be fun.
So first, you have to cut and to remove the tail of the raspberries and strawberries, and you have to cut that in small parts, like that. Okay.
The syrup first.
Yeah.
Go.
I got this, David.
Sorry, I'm just...
Syrup first. Listen to David.
For the dessert, the team
Danny?
job,
Syrup first.
we work everybody. So after chicken time. Like a small wallet. Basil, oregano. We have to slice the cheese.
Oh, yeah, that's the ticket. Oh, that's cheese.
So after I have to roll. I will hide the cheese with the part I cut before, and let me introduce you the nice sausage. This is not done. Not yet.
Ciao now.
You put that on the plastic bag like that. You turn. Up. You cut. Take the two parts here and turn.
Nice.
Okay, and 65 degrees for 1 hour.
A little bit too much cheese, so take that off and I'll show you what we're doing in a second.
cheese.
Take this, put that there, get it, we'll fold it over like that, and we ignore all of that. Oh, no. Take that little component here. Follow.
And we have to roast it in a saucepan and after finish in the oven.
Just would ask for the tag on the gram. Like,
No. Just kidding, man. This is for my own, like, enjoyment.
oh, your own archives.
Yeah, but
Watching me just grate cheese.
I'm into it.
Late night.
Asparagus, just olive oil, and you can add some perfume if you want. So we have just to color them. Okay, and voilà. If you want risotto, it's now.
So dinner actually turned out pretty well. I broke a lot of eggs, but other than that, it was fine. Risotto was delicious, the chicken was delicious, everything was great, and it was our final night here, so it was nice to just kind of have that as a send-off for everyone. So that's it. Tomorrow I take a plane home, and you know, part of me is happy to get back to work, like normal schedule, because this has been a very like whirlwind trip. But of course, part of me is also sad to leave all these people who are super fun. Also, this concludes probably my daily stories, or close to daily stories that these have been, vlogs. So back to scheduled programming, but let me know what you guys think. I might try to do these maybe once a week. Let me know. Would love to hear from you guys. So yeah, have a great night, everybody. And yeah, I'll see you next one.